On-device encryption in Gmail account. Hey guys, this is Lucy and today I'm here to show you how to turn on encryption in Gmail account. So first, go to your Gmail app and click on your profile. After that, click on manage your Google account. Here, go to security and scroll down till you find password manager. It will take you to this page. You can click here in this setup, or you can also click on the settings icon in the bottom right corner. Here you need to go to setup on device encryption. After that, you just need to click on next in this page and click on setup and things to consider, and it is updating your password encryption and you're done. It says that your screen lock is being used to unlock your encrypted data, and that's how you use this on device encryption in your Gmail account. That's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. I'll meet you guys in the next video.